In this video lesson, you'll discover what complementary contrast is and how to use it in watercolor painting.
I will use this template of 6 diagrams to examine complementary contrast. Let's begin with the first pair of opposing colors, which are yellow and violet. Several layers of each color are made in order to complete this exercise. All 6 diagrams, one way or another, contain all 3 primary colors, yellow, red, and blue. According to color theory, when 3 primary colors are mixed together, they produce a neutral gray. This is what, in theory, should happen to these 6 central boxes. However, we can see that these swatches have slightly different colors, and that these colors are not neutral gray, but are chromatic grays. This happened not because color theory is wrong, but because watercolor paints do not come with pure color pigments.